Hello everyone. Hi students. Hope you all are fine at home. Okay, today I am going to tell more one function of control panel. Here we will learn the mouse setting. Okay, the changing mouse setting. Already I have told two functions, that is add and remove program and how to do the setting of date and time. Today how you will do the setting of mouse. So for mouse setting you should know once again you have to open what? Control panel. How to open control panel? You already know. You have to go to where? Start button. Okay. You click on start button. Then you select control panel. Control panel. When you select control panel, the control panel's window opens up. And here you will see several of icons displaying. Okay. There are several of icons which are having their own functions. From here, one icon was add and remove program. Another function was change setting, okay, date and time. So from here you will see one icon, there it will be written mouse icon. Suppose let this one be a mouse icon. We have already knew how we can do add and remove program from the computer. We have already learned how to change the date and time. Today we will learn the mouse setting. So for that, go to start button, click control panel. The control panel windows open up. Here double click. Okay. You should double click on this mouse icon. When you double click, the mouse properties, the windows will open. Okay. The mouse properties. The mouse properties, the windows will open. And here you will see there are how many options? There are 5 options will be displayed. From here, one option is your button. Okay. See already one option you will see button tab. The next one will be your pointer. Then third one will be your pointer option. Fourth one will be your wheel. And fifth one will be your hardware. So second is your pointer. Then third one is your pointer option. Okay. Pointer option. Then your wheel and hardware. Wheel and hardware. So from this mouse properties, from this 5 tabs, we will learn today the first tab, that is your button tab. So once you again click on this button tab, more 3 options will come. When you click on this what? Button tab. How many options will come? Yes, 3 options will come. The first one is your button configuration. Okay. The first one is what? Button configuration. See what you mean by button configuration. See, we all of you knew that whenever you all have seen mouse. Suppose let's take an example. See, this is your mouse. Have you seen 2 buttons and there will be a wheel in middle? So we always click where? In the click on left button and we drag. And the person who are left-handed person, who are many person you will see there are left-handed, they will be writing in left hand. For them it is very difficult to click on left button and drag. For them this option is helpful. When you select this option, what will happen? The left-handed person, okay, who all will be there, for them the left click will be interchanged to right, and the left click will become your primary function. Okay, your left button will be changed to right button. So, if a person who is a left-handed, so easily in the left hand can catch the mouse, and this one will become the active primary function. So easily he or she can click on this, can drag, select and do the work. So that's why this option is there. The first option is what? Button configuration. If this option, if you click, then the left-handed person, it interchanges the left and right button function. The right button can now be used for primary functions such as selecting and dragging. The next one is your double click speed. The next option is what? Double click speed. Okay. So if you check, if you select, if you check this option, when you are taking your mouse and if you want to open a file, what we are doing? We are double clicking. Okay. So sometimes if you double click, maybe the speed will be slow or too fast. In that case, you can manage the speed. Okay. Maybe you can do it slow or fast. The click you can make able to do according to your wish. Within like this, suddenly if you do within no second, the double click will become, or according to your timing, the more speed of it will become. So it will help you to change the speed of double click by dragging the arrow towards. You want to make it slow or fast. As you want, you can do. And there is a folder given to test the setting. Here, when you click, here one folder will be there. Okay. And in this folder, when you check this option, in this folder, option will be there. You can test the speed and slow. Now comes to the third option. That is your click lock. Okay. The third option is your click lock. What happens? Sometimes what we do, we have to select lots of things and we want to drag it. So in the mouse, what we are doing? We are click. Just we click. Suppose let's say this is a mouse. So we click and now I want to drag. So by pressing click, I am dragging the whole document. So sometimes we are unable to hold the click button for sometimes. Instead, if you don't want to hold that button, just you check this option. So what will happen? The automatic click, only once you click, it will happen. No need to hold and press. You just drag, the work will be done. Here, when you select this option, you can drag the mouse without holding down the mouse button. Briefly click the mouse button to start dragging and items on the screen. Click the button again to release them. Okay. Once, as I told you, you click the button and you leave and now you drag it. How much document you want to select, it will be happen automatically. Where you want to stop, again you just release the click button. So these are the work you can do in your mouse setting. So how you will do? You have to go to the control panel. Go to start. Select the control panel. The control panel page will come. From there you see where it will be written mouse. Okay. So setting of mouse. So in the mouse icon, there will be a picture of mouse also in some computers. So you can click on the mouse icon. When you click on the mouse icon, the mouse properties, okay, the dialog box will display you. There you will see 5 options. One is your buttons, then pointers option, wheel and hardware. When you select this button tab, more 3 options is coming under this button tab. What are they? Button configuration, double click and click lock. Button configuration, when you check, okay, one small check box will be there. When you check this, a person who is left-handed, so the left button key will be interchanged to right as your primary function key. And here, when you are doing double click, you can adjust the speed and slow by your own, what you require of the double click. And click lock, here it will help you not to press the click for long time. Just you press the click and you drag and again you press and release it. You can select the documents. So students, I think you have understood how to do the button tab. This all work. Okay. In my next class, I will be telling what are the works of pointer option, what you have to do and what you have to do in wheel. Hardware, we will read in you all will read in your higher class. Okay. So in next class, these 3 options we will read. Hope you got it how to do. In your computer, you try to do it by your own. Once you come to school, you all will do in your practical lab. Thank you students for listening this online class. You all take care and be safe at home. Bye students. Have a nice day.